Actually, I think I just heard an eagle. Can you... Did I hear an eagle somewhere? That was an eagle again. Did you hear the eagle chirp? Can you say I love you?
Love you.
Can you say I love you, Kathy, Aunt Kathy?
Steak.
Can you say I love you, Aunt Kathy?
Steak.
I love you, Aunt Kathy.
Steak.
I love you.
Steak.
You got something on your bottom.
Something on your bottom.
I love you, Aunt Kathy.
Love you, Aunt Kathy.
Good job. Are you a little shy, my little eagle?
Yeah.
Can you say I love you?
Aunt Kathy.
Good job. You have a sticker on your bottom. Do you know that?
Got this sticker. Dada, I broke this.
Yeah, you did.
Can you fix it?
I don't know about that one, big girl. How old are you?
Sure.
What's your last name?
Perry and Cat.
Where do you live?
Sonatina.
I love you.
Steak.
What's your mom's name?
Sylvie.
What's your dad's name?
Chris.
What's your little brother's name?
Archie.
And what's your doggy's name?
Huey.
What's your name?
Hammy.
Good job.
Oh, there's an airplane strike.
There is an airplane stripe. How many engines does this airplane have?
Steak.
Steak, huh?